All right, in honor of our cuffing season workshop on Wednesday, we are going to go around asking people what their green flags are and what their red flags are.
What are your green flags in a person?
Just like effort. So like coming to I dance. So like coming to my dance shows or me like going to like his things.
When they go to your events to support you. Yay.
Ren 10, double take, go to it.
Also communication. That's the biggest thing. Like if you have a problem, you bring it up right away instead of it like boiling inside of you and just becoming a bigger thing than it needs to be. So like if you get those little tiny things done and over with, you're not gonna have a problem. So yeah, just those two things specifically.
Awesome, thank you.
Love when my partner cooks me food because it's really yummy and makes me happy. And it's like I'm not really good at talking, I guess, so I don't like show affection through talking as much as I'd like to. But for like actions like cooking and stuff, it's a way to like show affection without like having to say things and feel, I guess, fake because you didn't say the right thing.
What are your green flags in a person?
I think I'd say like probably platinum blonde hair, a blue jacket, like Doc Martens.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
No, it's gonna be a minute.
You could. He's thinking. You could cue the Jeopardy music.
Some red flags you look out for in people.
If someone is in the military, that is definitely a red flag to me.
Like when someone says that, like, oh, Ryan, like, who's your celebrity crush? And they say Ryan Reynolds or whoever.
No, honestly, that's fair because it's like come up with a better one.
Well,
right?
it's also like I feel like he's really bland.
Okay, well, who's your celebrity crush?
My celebrity crush is definitely Rihanna in like a platonic way, you know.
You have to respect that one. Yeah. What are some red flags you see in relationships?
Probably if they like cats more than dogs.
You know, plays hockey. Nah. But everybody has their flaws and their good side. That's awful. That's not easy.
Green flag is if someone is easygoing. Red flag is if someone has a negative attitude.
What are your green or red flags in a relationship?
So I think a green flag, and we're about to do this right now, so I'm part of CCLI, and I think like a green flag is definitely knowing history and being like pretty intellectual, but like you don't have to be like that. It's just like I feel like you have to match somebody, and I feel like knowing as part of like the dating scene on campus, you have to know the history of the place, the good and the bad, and so I think that's a green flag for me. And a red flag would probably be cheating.
My green flag is following WM contextualization on Instagram and keeping up with what we do and the history of the college.
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.